What if I told you an AI just came out that beats Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT-5 at understanding video? And what if I told you it was built by a small non-profit lab and they're giving it away for free? This isn't clickbait. This is one of the biggest AI stories of the year. A true David versus Goliath moment is happening right now, and it could change everything we thought we knew about the race for AI dominance. How did they do it? The answer is surprisingly simple, and it's a lesson for the entire industry. Stick with me because you're going to want to see this. All right. So when we think of AI, we think of the giants, right? Google, OpenAI, Meta, Anthropic, companies with billions of dollars and armies of engineers. But this story isn't about them. It's about these guys, AI2, the Allen Institute for AI. Now, if you haven't heard of them, you're not alone. But they are serious players. AI2 was founded by the late Paul Allen, yes, the co-founder of Microsoft. But unlike the big tech giants, AI2 is a nonprofit. Their mission isn't to build a product to sell to you, it's to push the boundaries of AI and share their discoveries openly with the world. They're like the Switzerland of AI, neutral, focused on research, and dedicated to making AI accessible for everyone. And they just dropped a bombshell called Molmo 2. So what is Molmo 2? First, let's be clear about what it is not. It's not a video generator like Sora, Veo, or Pika. It doesn't create videos from text. Instead, it does something arguably more important for the real world. It understands video. Think of it like a superpowered sports analyst, a detective, and a chef all rolled into one. For example, the researchers showed it a soccer clip and asked what mistake led to a goal. Molmo 2 didn't just describe the play, it pinpointed the exact moment and the player who failed to clear the ball. Then they showed it this clip of penguins. They asked it to track them. Molmo 2 assigns a unique ID to each penguin and follows it perfectly, even when they cross paths and get blocked from view. This is incredibly difficult for an AI to do, which is why this is such a big breakthrough. And my favorite, they showed it a cooking video, and it automatically generated a full step-by-step recipe, complete with ingredients and timings it read from the on-screen text. This is a huge leap, but how is it so good? The secret is a concept called grounding, and it's what separates Molmo 2 from the pack. We'll circle back to exactly what that means in a minute, because first, you need to see just how well it performs against the giants. Okay, so it's cool, but is it actually good? This is where it gets crazy. In head-to-head matchups, Molmo 2's 8 billion parameter model, which is tiny by today's standards, outperformed Google's massive Gemini 3 Pro and OpenAI's GPT-5 on key video tracking benchmarks. Let me say that again. A small nonprofit model is leading the world in tracking objects in video. It also beat them on counting things in videos and even on human preference tests. Preferred Molmo 2's answers over giants like GPT-5. Now, to be fair, it's not perfect. It still struggles with very long videos and it can't track a whole crowd of people yet. But the fact that it's this good this early while being so small and open is a massive deal. So remember that grounding thing I mentioned? This is the secret sauce. When you ask most AIs a question about a video, they just give you a text answer. You have to trust that they got it right. But Molmo 2 shows you its work. When you ask it, when did a cup fall in a video? It doesn't just say 3 seconds. It gives you the timestamp and draws a box around the cup at the exact moment it falls. It grounds its answer in the visual evidence. This makes it more accurate, especially at counting, and it lets us see how the AI is thinking. It's a game changer for trust and accuracy. By the way, if you hang on a minute, I'm going to tell you a killer app for this. And how did they achieve this? Not by using more data, but by using better data. Instead of just scraping billions of random internet videos, they hired human annotators to create incredibly detailed, high-quality descriptions for a smaller set of videos. It's quality over quantity, and it clearly works. Okay, cool tech. But what does this mean for you and me? Why does an AI that understands video matter? This is the foundation for true physical AI. For robots in our homes to be genuinely helpful, they need to understand what's happening around them. For self-driving cars to be truly safe, they need to track not just other cars, but pedestrians, cyclists, and stray balls rolling into the street. This technology is critical for everything from smarter retail stores that never have checkout lines, to automated safety systems on factory floors, to new tools for scientists to analyze complex experiments. Molmo 2 is a key piece of that puzzle. And I'll do you one better. This is the ultimate sports replay tool because it can track the object and all the people with very high accuracy. So this is an AI that can conclusively solve what happened in a sporting event. And this brings me to the most important point of this video. Molmo 2 is truly open. That doesn't mean just it's free. It means the researchers released everything. The model, the training code, and all 9 million pieces of data they used to build it. This is a radical act of transparency. It means any developer, any researcher, any curious student, anywhere in the world can download it, take it apart, see how it works, and build on top of it without asking for permission. When the first Molmo came out, its groundbreaking pointing feature was quickly adopted by Google and OpenAI. AI2 wasn't mad, they were thrilled. Their goal is to lift the entire industry. By being open, they are forcing the entire field of AI to get better, faster. This prevents a future where only a handful of trillion-dollar companies control the most powerful technology on Earth. This is why all the top people in Silicon Valley, not at the big seven, are pushing for open source, true open source. This is a huge win for open source AI and a huge step forward for all of us. And the best part, you can try it right now. AI2 has a public playground where you can upload your own short videos and test it out. I'll drop the link in the description below. So what do you think? Is this the beginning of the open source rebellion in AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss the next big thing in AI. Also, please support us on Patreon. Your small dollar monthly Patreon donations provide serious support for this channel. Until next time, take care and happy holidays to everyone.